Hello traders. In today's video, we are going to be looking at the Youth In Forex Indicator for MT4. This will create a visual template on your chart using a combination of custom indicators so you can see a structured trading dashboard tailored to the Youth In Forex concept. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember, I want to allow DLL imports, and there we have it. As you can see, the Youth In Forex Indicator arranges multiple visual elements such as trend filters and auxiliary panels, as you can see over here, and this line moving about the price charts. As you can see how it looks with defined edges according to its predefined trading approach rather. Candlestick price action remains central with overlays marking potential bullish and bearish areas and supporting information presented in a simple color-coded format. This layout is intended to help new traders identify market conditions at a glance. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look. Where we have the inputs. So settings generally allow you to turn specific modules on or off, choose colors, and tweak sensitivities so that only the most relevant information is displayed for your style. You can often configure alerts for when particular conditions are met, such as when a certain combination of trend and signal criteria appears. Alright, so who is it for? Youth in Forex Indicator is aimed at newer traders following the Youth in Forex approach who want a pre-configured visual environment rather than building a template from scratch. It does not guarantee profitable signals, can become cluttered if too many elements are turned on, and must be used with education, practice, and risk management, not as a standalone plug-and-play system. The download link is in the description below. You can read more about the Youth in Forex Indicator MT4 and see example usage at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.